Here we're looking at Kiln traffic lights. So first of all, I want to talk about turning left. So here, if you was turning left, you'll be at this point and you would see traffic lights in front of you. So as you can see, they are green because the cars are moving, but just beyond that there is a give way line here. And the reason for the give way line is because the vehicles turning right here, if they get a gap and they can go, then they will obviously be on your right, and they're the ones that you're having to give way to. So now we'll look at these lanes. Here you would keep in this lane if you're following Divity Road. The one next to it here if you're following the A52 towards Warrington, and these two lanes are for going up Kiln to the left or straight up Leek Road. As you notice now, when the lights change, you can just go. Really important to keep your lane discipline, but you don't have to give way to other vehicles. They're all being held off by the traffic lights. So now we're looking at travelling towards Hanley. So if you are travelling towards Hanley, you need to approach in this lane here. If you're travelling towards Kiln Road, then you need to be in this lane here. But if you're going right down Leek Road, then obviously you're in the right lane, pulling forward to this point here. You are giving way to vehicles coming down Kiln here. And in front of you, you will see other vehicles turning down Leek Road towards Stoke. Here, just like this red and black car. When you do turn, make sure you look out for this very important sign which tells you to keep left, and you'll see that on the bollard here, and then you'll know which lane to go into. Travelling towards Stoke, you'll see two lanes. This lane here takes you up to Hanley and Kiln Road. Again, no need to give way, you just follow it with lights when the lights change. And these lanes here will take you down Leek Road straight ahead, or if you're going left, it's the A52. Again, you can pretty much follow around. Please feel free to carry on watching this live video of traffic actually moving, so you get an idea of how these junctions work. This is a unique opportunity to actually see real-time traffic moving on the junction. Thank you very much for taking a look at our video.